A very good morning, children. Welcome back to my class. Students, we are on a new chapter, and it's taken from English Marigold NCERT book. Topic is chapter number, chapter number 13. Today we are going to discuss about chapter number 13. Topic terminal. It's the point written by at which is the point at Wilkins point. Point. Okay. Before that, there are some questions asked by the poet to the children of his class. Yes, Arya asked a question.
Sir, your voice is
Yes.
not audible. It is coming two times.
Now it's coming two times. No, it will come now. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir. It is clear.
Okay. Fine. Students, it's a from a unit number 7 chapter and the name of the chapter and it's a poem and Wilkinson. And who is the poet of the poem? Actually, Wilkinson is the poet. Before starting the poem, before the reading start the poem, there are some questions. Have you ever thrown your school bag? Yes, in our childhood life, or a student in his childhood life, whenever a student return back from school to home, tired, he used to be tired and he used to throw his bag. Yes. The second question: have you ever left your shoes and socks? Have you kept your shoes and socks? You kept your shoes in your school bag or shoes or socks in your school bag. Yeah, okay. Now the next question: have you ever played with your ball in your room? Played with a ball in your room? कभी गेम्स के साथ कमरे में खेला है? Yes, we have done some. Next, does your room sometimes look like this? Does your room means this room? Does your room sometimes like this? Here has been fallen. Your bag is on the back. Is open, your book has been fallen. Yes, sometimes is it your book look like this? Your bag look like this? So bad one. Yes, ask your question. Kaya?
Sir, your voice is not coming. Too
My
tight.
voice is not coming.
Yes, sir.
It's the net problem, but it's not my problem. It's clear from here. You have to clear it. From here. Okay, now. It might be a network problem.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now it's clear? Okay. Fine. Now let's see. Now, there are some questions asked by the poet. कवि ने कुछ questions asked. Have you ever thrown your bag in your bag? Yes. Have you ever left your shoes and socks there? Yes, we have. We have left our shoes in the veranda or somewhere else we have thrown. Yes. Have you ever played with ball in your bedroom? Yes, in your room. Yes, we have played ball लेकर के room के अंदर खेलना. Yes, we have done certain things. Okay. Does your room sometimes look like this? Does your room sometimes look like this? या आपका कमरा Yes, many times, not only one time. Look, I use right now. I use show me of कभी अगर कमरा ऐसा दिखता हो, yes, yeah, only one. I use piano. Okay, fine, yes, very good. Now let us read and recite. Now read about one such upside down land. Now let us read about a land where everything is upside down. Where everything is upside down. Now let me read the first stage of the poem. It consists of four lines. The first stage of the poem consists of four lines. Let me read it out. The people work upon their hands. The sea is made of sand. The children go to school by night. Topsy-turvy day. Here in the first paragraph, the poet H.E. Wilkinson is describing about a lady which is topsy-turvy, which is upside down, which is built up. Okay, in topsy-turvy, the people walk upon the hands. In topsy-turvy, the people walk upside down. Their hands are down, their legs are up. In topsy turbulence, इनके सर नीचे रहते हैं और वो सर के बल चलते हैं. Okay, the sea is made of sand. Here in our lake, the sea is made of what? See, हमारी पृथ्वी पर the sea in our earth, the sea is made of water. The sea is made of water, but in topsy turbulence, the sea is made of sand. टॉपी टर्बुलेंट जो सी है, समुद्र है, दुनिया है, वो किससे बनी हुई है? वो रेत की बनी हुई है. सैंड, सैंड मींस रेत. रेत का मतलब पूरा रेत है, वहां पे बीच है. और हमारे यहाँ समुद्र किससे बना हुआ है? The children go to school by night. In top turbulence, the children go to school by night. Have you ever went to school by night? क्या आप स्कूल गए हो? You go to school during daytime. आप दिन के समय स्कूल जाते हो. But in topsy turbulence, the children go to school at night. Means in the first stage. Look at what the poet has described. The poet has described a land which is upside down, which is topsy turbulent. In topsy turbulent, what? The people walk upon their hands. The sea is made of sand, and the children go to school at night. Let's see the second picture. The front door is at the back door. Means the front door is at the back. The front door step is at the back. You are walking when you stand. You wear your hat upon your feet. In topsy turbulence, look here in second stage. What does the poet describe? The poet is describing that in topsy turbulence, the front stage, जो बाहर जाने या बाहर से अंदर आने वाली स्टेज है, वो front back is at the back. Means the front door is at the back. You are walking when you stand. When you stand, you are walking. Means in topsy turbulence, if you simply stand, it means you are walking. And if you are walking, it means you are standing. If you are shouting, means you are silent. If you are silent, then you are shouting. Topsy turbulence. Okay. Next, you wear your hat. You wear your hat. This is means in topsy turbulence, this cap they wear on their feet. पैर, वो feet पे अपने पैर. But in our land, we wear our hat on our head. Okay. Next, and buses on the street you will meet. Third stage. First and second stage is over. First stage, the people walk upon their hand. The sea is made of sand. The children go to school by night in topsy turbulence. Second stage, the front door step is at the back. You are walking when you stand. You are walking. You are walking when you stand. When you are simply standing, it means you are walking. You wear your hat upon your feet in topsy turbulence. Let us read the third one. And buses on the sea you will meet while planes walk. Means what? You will meet the buses in topsy turbulence. You can find the buses at the sea. In the sea, you will meet the buses in the sea. And when you find the pleasure board, the happy moment of the board. Means the pleasure board. Pleasure means here the silent board. Means you will find the boards. In topsy turbulence, the boards travel on the street, on the roads, up and down, up and down. They travel up and down the street. Means in topsy turbulence, bus means to travel in the street and board travel in the top. Okay. Now, last one. You pay for what you never get. I think it must be done. You pay for what you never get. आप उस चीज के लिए पैसा चुकाते हो जो चीज आपने कभी ली नहीं. मीन्स आप कुछ नहीं लेते हो तो उसके लिए पैसे देंगे. अगर आप कुछ खरीदते हो तो उसके लिए पैसे. Means in topsy turbulence, everything is opposite. Everything is just opposite. For when you are coming, you are going back. Topsy turbulence, when you are going, it means you are coming back. Means you are not going, you are coming back. And if you are coming back, means you are going. So everything is opposite, upside down, topsy turbulence. So in this class, in this poem, we have discussed about a new land. a new place where everything is opposite, everything is upside down. And the name of the place is topsy-turvy. In this poem, we come to learn about a new place. इस poem को पढ़ने एक नए जगह के बारे में, that is topsy-turvy land. The name of the place is topsy-turvy land. It is written by H.P. Wilkinson. The poet of the poem is H.P. Wilkinson. So, the poet here he is describing about a place where everything is upside down. Upside down. The people of Topsy-Turvy Land walk upon their head. The sea is made of sand. In Topsy-Turvy Land, the sea. In our land, the sea is made of sand. In Topsy-Turvy Land, the sea is made of sand. In our land, the children go to school during daytime. But in Topsy-Turvy Land, they go to school by night. The front door step is at the back door. In Topsy-Turvy Land means the front door is their back door. The front door is at the back. You were walking when you stand. In Topsy-Turvy Land, if you are simply standing like this, means you are walking. अगर आप Topsy-Turvy Land simply खड़े हो, इसका मतलब आप चल रहे हो. Next, you wear your hat upon your face in Topsy-Turvy Land. You wear your hat. This is hat. This is hat. I want to know this is. Yes, this is what? Oh yeah. Streetwear. आप अपने streetwear पहना. In Topsy-Turvy Land, you wear your hat upon your face. Or in our land, we wear in our land we the hat. Now I want to consider in Topsy-Turvy, they wear the hat on their feet and our feet is very fair. And in our land, we wear hat on the hats. In Topsy-Turvy Land. I have been on the seat and the buses on the sea will meet. You will meet the buses on the sea. If you start buses in Topsy-Turvy Land, if you are searching a bus on the road, I don't think you will find it. I don't think you will find it. I don't think you will find it. On Topsy-Turvy Land, you will meet the buses on the road. You can meet the buses on the road. Where you will find you'll meet the buses not on the road. Topsy-Turvy Land. In our land, हम अपनी जमीन पर हम अपनी जगह पे बस मिलती है हमारी रोड में. But in Topsy-Turvy Land, you will find the buses on the sea. समुद्र में नदी में अगर आप बस ढूंढोगे तो बस मिलेगी. And where you will find the boat, you will find the pleasure boat, the plain means समतल area, plain area में road में boat मिलेगी up and down. And the pleasure boat are there in travel up and down the street. It means that you will find the boat travel up and down. Okay, in Topsy-Turvy Land. Now you pay for what you never pay. In Topsy-Turvy Land, if you are purchasing a pen, then you don't have to pay. But if you don't get anything, you have to pay something. अगर कुछ फ्री खरीदते हो तो देने पड़ते हैं. अगर कुछ खरीदते हो तो कुछ नहीं देंगे. So I hope students you like the poem that such a land where everything is upside down. You don't have to study. अगर आप पढ़ रहे हो उसका मतलब आप नहीं पढ़ रहे हो. नहीं पढ़ रहे हो उसका मतलब आप. It may be in Topsy-Turvy Land. आपने एग्जाम नहीं दिया इसका मतलब आपने एग्जाम दिया. Fine. In Topsy-Turvy Land, everything is just opposite. In Topsy-Turvy Land, if you are sleeping, means you are not sleeping. अगर आप सो रहे हो, so everything is opposite in Topsy-Turvy. Everything, in fact, Topsy-Turvy is upside down. Okay, fine. Now let us see. For when you are coming, you are going back. In Topsy-Turvy, if you are going forward, means you are कमिंग बैक, आप आगे जा रहे हो इसका मतलब आप पीछे आ रहे हो, ये कंसीडर में फाइन स्टूडेंट्स, दिस वाज द पॉइंट व्हिच वी हैव class and it's written by H.E. Wilkinson. How you understand the poem and you like the poem. Now it's a request from me to you all to learn the poem. Learn at least learn the poem, recite the poem properly. Now let's discuss about some of the new words. Let us discuss about some of the new words given in the poem. Now let us discuss about the new words. What are the new words which is being given in this poem? Fine. First of all, let us see the word. What do you mean by topsy-turvy? Topsy-turvy. New word. The first new word of the poem is topsy-turvy. Topsy-turvy. What do you mean by topsy-turvy? It means upside down. Upside down. Up, ulta. The first word. What is the second new word? It's listener. What do you mean by listener? Listener is listener is feeling of enjoyment. Feeling of enjoyment. Feeling of enjoyment. Now, third new word it is grant. Grant. Grant means what? Big or great fun. Or great fun. What do you mean by pleasure? Pleasure का मतलब खुशी. And what do you mean by fun means what? Big or having a great fun. शानदार, बड़ा शानदार होगा डॉक्टर. Okay. Now let's see the fourth one. What is the fourth one? The fourth one is ever. Ever is at any time. At any time means हमेशा या कभी. Okay. Now, what do you mean by straight means rod. Straight means rod. और path covered with stone. जो सड़क से पत्थरों से और ईंटों से बनी हुई है इसको हम स्ट्रीट meadow means कच्ची सड़क. Okay. Now let's discuss some of the exercises. Reading is fun. When do children go to school in topsy-turvy land? This is the first question. After reading, reciting the poem, after learning the poet is asking a question to each and everyone that when do students go to school in topsy-turvy land? I hope you understand and you know the answer. That the students of topsy-turvy land they go to school by night. Or at night. They go to school at night. Now let us see the second question and answer. The first question, I hope you understand. Show me your thumb today. If you are able to understand that the poet is asking you a question that when do children go to school in topsy-turvy land? When do children go to school in topsy-turvy land? The children go to school in topsy-turvy land at night. The second question, in the poem, if buses travel on the sea, then where do boats travel? How should it be right? In topsy-turvy land, the buses travel on the sea. Then where do the boats travel? Boats कहाँ पे travel करती हैं? अगर buses topsy-turvy land में buses जो है sea में travel करती हैं, तो boat कहाँ travel? और ये किस तरीके से ये गलत है? Okay, next. According to the poem, boats travel on the road. According to the poem topsy-turvy land, the boats travel on the road. It should sail on the sea. कविता के माध्यम से कवि ने आपसे ये कहा है कि बोट से वो सड़क पे चल रही है, वास्तव में उन्हें समुद्र में और नदी that according to the point, the boat travels on the road or the scale, but they should sail on the sea. They should sail. Okay, they should travel or they should sail on the sea. Now, let's see the next question. The toxic terminal is very different from our land. Let's draw a comparison by filling in the sentence. Now let's discuss about what is how do our people of our land work and how do the people of toxic terminal. Let me write here. Everyone is looking about. Okay, so this time, getting about toxic terminal are yes. Now, two columns here. This column is for toxic terminal, toxic terminal lab. And this is our land. Our place, our land. Okay. Written here that the people walk on their backs. People walk on their people walk on their hands. Yes, in tropical lands, people walk on their hands. What about in our land? How do people walk? How do people walk in our land? That we are begin by people walk on their walk on their feet. People walk on their feet. Yes? Am I right, students? Toxic terminals, people walk on their hands. Our hands, people walk on their feet. Now, let's second one. Second point. Second point is the blank. The bus run on the line. In our line, the bus is run. The bus is run on the road. On the the bus is run over the road. In our line, the bus is run on the road. What is it called? The bus is run on the street. In toxic terminal, the bus run on the street, and in our land, the bus is run on. Now let's see the third one. Look at the third one. It's written that their hat. They wear on feet. On feet. They wear the hat. And in our land, it should be they wear hats on hat. On hat. In our land, we wear our hat. In toxic terminal, they wear the hat on the feet. Number 4. Boys, it's the black. It's the black. What about number 4? Boys stand in the street. Boys stand in the street. In our land, the boys stand in the street. Whatever intoxicant or travel on the street. On the street. Right, students? Yes. Do you understand our body body? Some students if you are able to understand. Our body on the rod. On the rod. Gods travel on the rod, and whatever in the in our land, gods travel in the sea. Now let's see the 51. Look at the 51. 51 is written here that people pay for what they people pay for what they don't get. What they don't get. And in our life, it should be that people pay for what they get. People pay for what they get. Yes. So these are the comparison. We have the comparison here. Of their hands. In our life, people work on their feet. So the bus in doctrine, the bus is not on the street. In our life, the bus is not on the road. Number third, they wear their hand feet. In doctrine, they wear their hand on the feet. In our life, they wear the hands on the hand. Boats travel on the street. In doctrine, the boat, the noun, it's travel on the road. Street. In our life, boats travel in the street. The fifth one, people pay for what they don't get. In toxic villain, people they used to pay, they used to give money for what they don't get. जो चीज उनको नहीं मिलती है उसके लिए उन्हें पैसे देने होते हैं और हमें जो चीज मिलता है उसके लिए हमें पे करना होता है to pay for what we get in our life. So, okay, now let's see what we sound. We have to speak aloud. Speak aloud. You have to speak aloud. आपको ये बोलना है pronounce करना है. You have to read it. Now, let us see. We are on the exercise. Students, we are on the exercise. Okay. Okay. Now, let's see. One more exercise. Fun with sound. Fun with sound. Do it. Fun with sound. Okay. Now let's sound here. It's written here. Later. Treasure. Make. Pleasure. Treasure. Listen. Where? Dear. Yes. Dear. Dear. Steer. Where? Next is what? Play. Get. Scared. And stress. Last topical. Hurry, 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 burly, curly, 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 burly. Now let's have fun with this word. In what is the now let us see fun with sound. Pleasure, treasure, measure. Pleasure. The best way to learn online is to repeat after the teaching. जो सबसे अच्छा तरीका होता है ऑनलाइन किसी चीज को सीखने का कि आपके टीचर के साथ साथ pleasure, treasure, measure. Pleasure, treasure, measure. Where, dear, steer, where. Where, dear, steer, where. Where, dear, steer, where. Games, play games, game. Now let's see. Top burly, curly, burly. Top with hurly, burly, curly, burly. Students, do once again. Fun with the sounds. Let us just listen to the sounds. They have same sound. And we started noticing laser, treasure, measure. Where, here, steer, where. Play, can, scan, strap. Topsy-turvy, hurly, burly, curly, burly. Fine, thank you. Now, if you have it down, you can actually, and tomorrow we will try to do some more exercises. That is, let's stop. We will do tomorrow. Fine. Now, if you have a doubt, it's a time you can ask some question regarding the poem if you don't understand. It's your time. Thank you very much.